This is the assembly site of two skid-mounted hot water boilers of EPCB boiler. This is a hotel in Peru that is upgrading the heating solution for guest rooms and domestic hot water systems. EPCB customized two skid-mounted hot water boilers for this project. The equipment was assembled and tested in China, and the whole machine was transported to the site, which greatly saved the installation time. The skid-mounted structure design realizes the high integration of the boiler body, circulation pump, control system and pipelines. Customers only need to complete the gas and water and electricity interface connection to put it into use. The automatic intelligent control system has multiple functions such as temperature regulation, timed operation, and fault alarm to ensure the safe and stable hot water supply of the hotel all day long. The two devices installed this time are normal pressure hot water boilers, with a single rated thermal power of 240 kilowatts. The system is highly integrated and equipped with complete safety protection devices. It has fast heat exchange, efficient transportation, remote monitoring and multiple alarm functions to ensure efficient, safe and intelligent operation of the system. At present, the two boilers are about to be assembled and will meet the hot water needs of hotel guest rooms, kitchens, laundry rooms and other areas. EPCB provides efficient, intelligent and energy-saving thermal energy system solutions for global customers. If you have similar needs, please contact us.